Welcome to the Paton channel. Today, we'll take a look at the MMA machines from the Mini, Eco, and Standard series and find out which of these options is the best fit for different welding tasks. The Paton Mini series welding inverters are the most compact machines in the entire Paton lineup. The lineup includes 3 models, which differ in their configuration. The Mini and Mini C models come with welding cables made in Ukraine, featuring a ground clamp and an electrode holder from the German company Binzel. And the Mini C model additionally comes with a convenient Paton case for easy transportation and storage of the device itself. The Paton Mini WA is a version without accessories, designed for welders who still have welding cables and accessories from their previous machine, or for those who want to purchase a set of welding cables tailored to their specific needs. The machine is designed for MMA welding with electrodes ranging from 1.6 to 4 millimeters in diameter, with a duty cycle of 40%. Thanks to its weight of only 3.3 kilograms, the Paton Mini is the perfect choice for household welding jobs, small-scale construction, and work at heights, where mobility and compactness are essential. The Paton Eco Series welding inverters are specifically designed for high-quality MMA welding with electrodes of any coating type, ranging from 1.6 up to 6 millimeters in diameter, depending on the specific model, including even the most refractory ones. The lineup includes models with a rated current from 160 to 250 amps, specifically 160, 200, and 250. The duty cycle is 40%, making these machines ideal for semi-professional use in small workshops, on construction sites, and during installation work. The machines come equipped with high-quality welding cables featuring a ground clamp and an electrode holder from the German brand Binzel. Models with a C index in the name also come with a shock-resistant branded Paton case. The Paton Eco Series is designed with a focus on efficient resource use and energy efficiency. The optimized design reduces the amount of materials used in production, and the low power consumption ensures efficient operation without unnecessary costs, making Paton Eco a practical and cost-effective solution for welding work. The Standard series is represented by the Paton Standard 350-400 machine. It's a reliable solution for intensive use. The machine is designed for manual arc welding, MMA, with direct current up to 350 amperes and allows you to work with electrodes ranging from 2 to 6 millimeters in diameter, including refractory ones. The key advantage is its high duty cycle of 70%, which makes this inverter ideal for medium and large construction projects, workshops, and industrial facilities. The device is powered by a 3-phase 400-volt network and comes equipped with copper cables, an electrode holder, and a ground clamp from Binzel. All Paton MMA welding machines have a number of key advantages: protection against voltage surges, low energy consumption, and increased reliability in dusty environments. All of the listed machines have an IP33 protection rating, improved arc stability, the ability to work from a generator, and the ability to use long cables. The reliability of a welding machine is determined not only by its technical specifications, but also by the quality of its internal components and the protection of its electronics. That's why we invite you to take a look inside Paton machines. These machines have a sturdy frame base and are assembled with technologically correct components. The parts that require cooling are located in the lower section and are cooled by a fan, while the control boards are placed in the upper section and protected from contamination, which significantly extends their service life. All electronics are coated with 2 layers of high-quality varnish, providing effective protection against moisture, dust, and increased resistance to temperature fluctuations. The manufacturing process uses components from leading global producers, Italian capacitors from Kendall, transistor and diode modules from top international manufacturers in the power section of the device, connector housings made from heat-resistant material, a copper transformer designed and produced in-house by Paton, unique electrical circuits developed by our own engineers, and a durable metal casing built for intensive use. For the welder's convenience, all Paton MMA machines are equipped with automatic functions. Specifically, hot start makes arc ignition easier, which is especially helpful when using electrodes with refractory coatings, electrodes that haven't been pre-baked, or when working on poorly prepared surfaces with residual rust, paint, and so on. Arc Force provides automatic arc stabilization during welding. Anti-stick protects the electrode from sticking. Another important feature of these machines is their simple and intuitive interface, along with smooth welding current adjustment. Using these machines is as easy as it gets. Depending on the type of electrode you're using, connect the welding cables with the ground clamp and electrode holder according to the required polarity. Reverse polarity is when the electrode holder is connected to the positive terminal, which is used for most common electrodes, especially types like ANO, MR, and so on. Direct polarity is when the electrode holder is connected to the negative terminal on the machine. First, power on the welding machine. It carefully adjusts and sets the specifically required welding current, and then the machine is fully prepared and ready to begin the operation. So PATON MMA machines from the Mini, Eco, and Standard series are solutions for different tasks and working conditions. Choose the series that best fits your needs and work with confidence together with PATON. Friends, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Patron channel. Also, if you truly enjoyed watching this video today, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave any of your specific questions down in the comment section below. We really look forward to hearing from you, and we will see you again next time.